Hi everyone, all about using channels in Microsoft Teams. If you have ever wondered what channels are in Teams, why and how to use them, this video is for you. Channels are the workspaces you create to bring people together. You can use your channels to solve open issues, share files, answer urgent customer questions, and get work done together in teams. Let's take a look together as I use channels to catch up with my sales team. When I open up the channel name and all the different tabs are right at the top. The Post tab is highlighted, so I see the newest conversation and updates for our team. The tab next to Posts is Files. It's where our team stores all the files and documents we need for projects, so they are easy to organize and search. When a file is uploaded in the channel, even if it's part of a post, it's automatically added to the File tab for everyone to use. I can choose New to create a new file or Upload to share one from my computer. Say I have a great idea for a sales speech, and I want to share that with the whole group. In the meeting, I can quickly set up a channel meeting that all members of the channels can join with just one click by selecting Meet and Meet. Now, to connect instantly to everyone in the channel, you can also choose to schedule a meeting to connect later. Channel meeting invites and chats show up on the Post page, so it's easy for everyone to join the meeting when it's happening or catch up later on their own time. To keep all our project work in one place, we've added tabs for the apps we use, most like Whiteboard and Tasks. Now anyone can review and respond to any asks and to-do items, so our projects can move forward faster. When a new member joins my team, the info pen gets them up to speed quickly. In one view, they can scale up on what the channel is all about, view members and see all the latest updates. When I'm really heads down on a project, I only want to receive certain updates. I go to the channel notifications and turn them off for a while, or customize them to stay focused until my work is done. Channels makes it easy to connect, collaborate, and establish workflows that help your team work better together. Try using channels with your workgroup for more tips, how-to, and inspiration for all you can do together in team. Subscribe today.